Think about the last time you were at a student assembly. How did it go? What did it look like? What did it sound like? What were the students doing? What were the teachers doing? Let me show you how we do things at ChampU LLC. Follow me.
Hi, my name's Isaac. I'm in the 6th grade, and what I love about Rick being here is that it's always fun and he's teaching us great lessons.
What's up, Sierra? Hi.
I'm in 8th grade at Sierra Middle School. I love Rick being here. He brings up the hype at our school, and it's just really fun.